congratulations to Sir Leomar as representative of Ma'am Glory Angelina Villar and family from BTK family. Congratulations.
Black cat can't burn me out. Ooh, can't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop.
Been 5 months because napakadaming naging problema, and we are very lucky that our project turned out like this. And thank you BTK Corp. Sana po meron na naman tayong susunod na project ulit.
Every project po na ginagawa namin, napaka-meaningful po sa amin. And we see and find out talaga na after po ng project, in good terms po kami. Siyempre, ng may-ari ng client. Papasalamat po ako una sa tiwalang binigay po nila sa atin sa pamamagitan po ng aking matalik na kaibigan na si Atty. Candida Bumanggat. Thank you, Atty. Candida, for this opportunity. At least may pakita namin kung gaano kami kapasensyoso.
Hindi po namin ito magagawa mag-isa. Sa tulong po ng aming team, from the structural hanggang sa finish, all the hard work has been recognized today. Maraming salamat and congratulations to Aguilar family.
Hindi po madali ang pag-handle po ng isang project. Marami pong stages na pinagdadaanan. May times po na para siyang black and white na eh. Minsan negative, minsan positive. Pero at the end of everything, kailangan po nag-harmonize po kayong parehas. All is well, nakakatuwa po na kumantong tayo sa araw na to at na-turn over po natin. Sobrang blessed po ng company namin. Marami po kayo natutulungan. Sabi ko nga po, hindi lang po ang sales na nag-agent po na natutulungan po commissions. Natutulungan din po natin yung mga family ng ating mga construction workers.